Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Gulani Bivani. Today my topic is sound. This is the topic for class 8th subject science. तो आज हम fill in the blanks करने जा रहे हैं. Time taken by an object to complete one oscillation is called time period. यानी कि एक oscillation में जितना वक्त लगता है उसको कहते हैं time period. दूसरा है loudness is determined by the dash of a vibration, amplitude of a vibration. The unit of frequency is hertz. The unit of frequency is hertz. The unwanted sound is called noise. Unwanted sound is called noise. Shrillness of a sound is determined by the frequency of a vibration. Determined by the frequency of a vibration. How can the noise pollution be controlled in a residential areas? All the noisy operations must be conducted away from the residential areas. Noise producing industries should be taken away from such areas. The use of automobile horns should be minimized. That's all for today. Thank you.